Okay, in this video la okay, sinikeza i-diagram kumele siyigcwalise ne kulama video besenza before besinikeza statement yabo, we had to draw a diagram ourselves and then we have to fill it in. So la awuthezama ukugcwalisa i-diagram. In the diagram below, this is the diagram below, P is equals to, P is a point, 6 map K, X map Y. Now point is 6 map K. So length imelu X. So siyazi ukuthi okay, shothi kusuka la kuze la u6. Yabo kusuka la kuze la u6. Kusuka la kuze la nobani uK. Ne? Kusho i-diagram, kusho ilokhozi. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem sizothola bani Pythagoras theorem? Ngithi siyazi ukuthi the longest side is equals to shortest side squared plus shortest side squared. Shortest side should be 36, 6 squared, which is a 36 plus ngapha kuzobani okay squared. Yabo ngibhale nje first x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. X 6 squared plus y k squared equals to r squared. So this is 36 plus k squared equals to r squared. Fake root. So low cancel a root. So 36 plus k. Sure. Then sesiqedile ngalela point. Bese yabuya ke lento OT is equals to 2. Oh, now uthi lapha OT is equals to 2. Okay. So allow me to draw another diagram. This is T. So this is equals to 2. OT is equals to 2. Right? Okay. And then bese basinikeza ke lento lo. We know masinikeza into enjena, we should solve for the trig ratio bese siyogcwalisa ku diagram. So le nto leya ithini? Ithi root 5 cos theta minus 2 equals to 0. Should we have cos theta, which is equals to 2 over root 5. So cos theta, it's adjacent over hypotenuse. So now adjacent yethu should is nenteme kanje. Should kusuka la kuza la hypotenuse yethu bani root 5. So ngizoyidraw la root 5 and then onanguthi wethu la adjacent u2 hypotenuse root 5. Nqeni ukuthi kube isixakaxaka. Le triangle lencane ingena lapha. Yabo? So Pythagoras theorem ukuze sithole lo. Ithini Pythagoras? X squared plus y squared equals to r squared. Wenza fast nje ngoba sekuyinto esiyaziyo. So x wethu it's 2 squared plus y squared isifuna yena. R squared, R wethu it's root 5 squared. So y squared equals to 5 minus 4, which is equals to 1. So should 2y, it's plus or minus 1. Ne? Plus or minus 1. Should thina la ngoba siku positive side, so choose abani positive 1. Should siyazi ukuthi ukusuka la kuze la u1, ukusuka la kuze la ubani root 5. Diagram encane ino 2 kusuka la kuze la, ino 1 kusuka la kuze la, ino root 5 kusuka la kuze la. Right? See na information. Diagram enkulu. Kusuka la kuze la 6, kusuka la kuze la k, kusuka la kuze la root 36 plus k squared. Diagram enkulu sithathela la. Diagram yethu segcwele. Then we can go answer the question. Whew, right. So we should write tan theta in terms of k. So tan, i-diagram encane ayinayo k. No 1, no 2, no root. So we cannot use i-diagram encane. But u-theta uku-diagram encane, u-theta abe-diagram enkulu. Because u-diagram encane and diagram enkulu banjani, they are similar. Okay, yeah, something like this. So with diagram enkulu, theta is equals to tan opposite over adjacent, right? So tan theta will equals to opposite is over k adjacent 6. So tan theta will equal to k over 6. So lapha sasithola ivalue ka k. Masibheka la ivalue ka k. Okay, masicheck theta. We know le diagram enkulu. Tan theta is equal to k over 6. Sithathela la phezulu. Tan theta is equal to k over 6. Diagram enkulu. Kule diagram encane we also have tan theta. It's the same theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent, which is equals to 1 over 2. So tan theta and tan theta, they are equal because banama angle afana angle A1. So we can say tan theta is equal to tan theta is tan theta lo ubani k over 6. Tan theta lo ubani 1 over 2. Then we cross multiply k will equals to 6 over 2 and k will equals to 3. So this is how we solve it. So we're just going to do one more example and then the second problem here is okay. P is minus root 7 map 3 and S are points on a Cartesian plane. OS is 6. OS is 6. P it's minus root 7 over 3. So now x lo it's minus root 7. 3 it's 3. Pythagoras theorem. So comes low squared plus low squared. So it's 9 plus 7. Keep it about 16 root 16 keep it 4. So we use Pythagoras theorem to get learning. So I'm just saving time in the video because of Pythagoras. Okay, we have another line. So we have two triangles. Two diagrams in what draw ne. So let diagram le theta because ukusuka la kuzela theta, meaning our reference angle will be theta. Le diagram le yabo ukusuka la kuzela it's theta and then theta again chaza ukuthi la kuzobani u2 theta. Le diagram le ile nobani eno 6 yaba no coordinates a map b. Shooting no A la, shooting no ba la, no B. Le diagram no theta ile no ba no minus root. Chumba. Right. Shooting la kuzobani negative root 7. La kube no 3. La kube no 4. So that we have two diagrams. Agu diagram A1. Any diagram in no theta. Because ukusuka la kuzela theta, meaning our reference angle will be theta. Enye ukusuka la kuzela it's theta plus theta. So the reference angle kuzobani u2 theta. But la kuzobonakala kahle, this is B. Okay, this is a 6. Tiyafana nje lento engenza la. Then that is a. Lapha we have 2 theta. K. Okay, ama-diagram ethu agcwele bo kahle le diagram la bengimele ngigcwalise la. No, this will be A, this will be 6, this will be B. Nayi le diagram nayi le ngibhekela ne. Okay, so 2.1 we should answer tan theta. So masimbheka ke we have 2 theta, we have theta. So because it's obvious, so tan theta kumele sisebenzise an opposite over adjacent, which will be 3 over negative root 7. So 2.2. Find the value of sine negative theta. So we have sine negative theta. We know minus an angle, final ukuthi ubani 0 minus 0 minus quadrant 4, usine njani quadrant 4 negative, so we're gonna have negative sine of theta. So sine theta, now theta lapho will be opposite over hypotenuse, so opposite over hypotenuse asikwazi ukusebenzisa lo ngoba lo no 2 theta, so kuzoba no opposite yethu 3, hypotenuse is 4, negative loyana uyabuya. Bese sibuya lana ke a, kumele sithole u-a ula, and but manje lana we know ukuthi we have 2 theta and we know ukuthi sinani sinama unknown awu-2. So if you can choose the trig ratio ezosifakela bani u-a no 6 only, so that is adjacent of hypotenuse, that is a cos. Because ukuthi la for u2 for should be 2, sorry, it should be 2.3, sorry. So for 2.3 wethu kumele sithole u-a, now u-a la, so now we're going to use the diagram le, together with this one. So la asikwazi ukuchoose u-sine, sine 2 theta will be opposite over hypotenuse, b over 6, u-a out. Cos, sorry, tan it's opposite over adjacent, yebo b over a ukhona, but manje b unknown, so kumele sense into enani ezoba ne-unknown a1. So cos it's adjacent over hypotenuse, so if we use cos 2 theta manje, because sisebenzisa le angle lapha, cos will be adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 6. So manje sizoyithatha phi ke lento le cos theta, ukuba bekuno cos theta besoya la cos theta is adjacent of hypotenuse, sibhale la minus root 7 over 4, but then this is not cos theta, this is cos 2 theta, but you know 2 theta is a double angle, right? So if it's a double angle, we can choose one of our double angles, 1 minus 2 sine squared, or 2 cos squared minus 1, or cos squared, yabo. So choose I pick I can choose any, so choose a 2 cos squared theta minus 1, it still equals to a over 6. La sobuyisa u2 cos theta ukhona ke manje la, cos 2 theta ongekho, but cos theta ukhona. Cos theta ubani root 7, negative root 7 over 4, so it's negative root 7 over 4, since kuno square sifaka square kusase no minus 1 lapha, equals to a over 6. Then u6 uzomultiply lana, then sizoba naye u8, cross multiplication 6 uzomultiply yonke lento la. So ngivele ngifake calculator ngizofaka u2 into negative root 7 over 4, it's all raised by 2 minus 1, until the answer it's minus 1 over 8, right? Then multiply by 6, total minus 3 over 4. Should the answer it's negative 3 over 4. Right, so this is how we do this one here.